All right, so I'm a woodworker, and inside my shop is mostly woodworking stuff. But every once in a while, I need to weld something. So I got this portable welding table. It's a Vevor brand. It only weighs about 40 pounds. It folds up nice and small. You can see at the bottom there, there's wheels so you can roll this thing around. It's got a big handle on the front. The legs just fold out, and they have a little hand knob right there to tighten them up to keep them out. It would have been nice had they had a little pin to pop out and snap in place, but they don't, and they work fine. Once they're out, you just kind of kick them over, make sure that they're flared out. Then the table, the legs themselves are adjustable to right at about 29 inches when they're all the way down. So if you're going to be standing out here welding all day, you don't want to be hunched over or killing your back. And really good thing about this little workbench here is that you can extend these legs out. And once you get these legs extended out, then you can stand up and weld a whole lot more comfortable. And now, as you see right there, the leg can come all the way out. They just have the little push pins that you push, and they go into the holes. Now this bottom one here, when I opened up the box before I even got out of the box, the little nut that's welded on that the eye screw goes into, well, was the weld was broke, but it's a welding table, and at half the price, I can go ahead and retack that back on. Not a big deal. Now, once you have those legs extended, now your table is up to a full 36 inches, a lot more comfortable of a height. So for the price, I think this is definitely a good buy, and you can't go wrong for the price.